wettest channel on the internet.
Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to the show en el agua for today. And this is part 2 that, like you saw, we took out the jet skis here in Miami, Haulover, and drove it down south towards downtown Miami through the intercoastal on a cloudy, windy day. But the girls stayed home, so this is going to be a boys' days out on the water. And talking about boys, well, the plan was to go down south and meet up with my friends that they're hanging out in a spot that I haven't been in a long time, the Miami Marine Stadium. And to my surprise, this place was full, even though the ideal boating weather wasn't around. But you already know that the weather doesn't stop the Miami boaters and jet ski riders. And definitely you guys were amazed how many speakers my friend's boat has and how loud it was. After hanging out with my friend on his boat and jamming to the music and catching a little rest while watching people having a good time here at Marine Stadium, we decided to jump back on the jet skis and cruise around Marine Stadium one more time before heading up north to Haulover. And here we're back where we left off, cruising through the Marine Stadium and watching all the boaters. And if this is your first time watching this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. And if you're a local viewer here in Florida, make sure to follow us on Instagram so you guys can get updates on local events that we'll be having or attending throughout the year. And definitely don't forget to check out YouTube's community posts. So there you go, guys. If you're wandering around in Miami on the water and don't know where to go, well, you can always come here and hang out and drive through the Marine Stadium, because normally all the people that come out from the Miami River wind up here. And by the way, a lot of fans that watch the channel have been asking us, when are we gonna do a meet and greet? Well, those plans are in the works, and maybe we could get lucky and find a good sponsor and make it a party. And talking about parties, you guys make sure to follow on Instagram once again, because we have a Sandbar parties coming up. And you know what else is coming up? The Miami Boat Rally. So if you're thinking about attending, make sure to check out Instagram and YouTube community posts for a discount code that I'm gonna give you guys. And here's a little island that I normally come and hang out, but today it looks like it's to full capacity. And even though it's a cloudy day, but beautiful downtown Miami still looks great with all the tall high-rises. And I keep saying it, and I must put it on my bucket list. I want to ride that Ferris wheel. I think it'll do a great video of an overview of Bayside and downtown Miami. And I'm going to take this time and read one of the messages that I got from my last videos of the jet skis. And the viewer said that he clicked on the video thinking it was going to be about talking engines going fast and high speeds and mechanical terms. But to his surprise, it was nothing like that. It was a video about a family taking out their jet skis and making great memories with their kids and recording their weekend water adventure. And that was the reason why he subscribed to the channel. And I would like to say to him, thank you and welcome to the channel. And I would like to say thank you to him for taking the time and letting me know how he felt. And I'm glad that you guys enjoy my videos, because I make it to entertain and show different places around Florida. So maybe one day you could get out in the water and do it yourself with the family or with a friend.
Yeah, so
And look at this, a pirate ship in Miami. What is it doing here? Invading the coast? No, it's just a tour boat that comes out of Bayside. Pretty cool, right? I wonder if the requirement is to dress like a pirate.
Are you having some fun? Yeah, man.
Now that was awesome. Some fellow jet skiers that watch the channel also having fun in the sun. Oops, nope, on a cloudy day. And I guess you know how they say, rain or shine, the party never stops when it comes to the boaters in Miami. And talking about boaters, what do you guys think about these little boats here, docked up by Junco Island? And now we're cruising by another popular island here in Miami, known to the local boaters as La Islita. And this one here also gets pretty packed, sometimes over capacity, even so full that some of the boaters anchor in front of the island and swim across. So if you're cruising by here, be careful for people in the water. And I'm not sure if most of the boaters here are aware, but this whole area is idle zone. So please pay attention to the signs to avoid a ticket or getting yourself into an accident, because water activities could be fun or could be dangerous. It depends if you choose to follow the rules or not. So after about an hour or so going up north through the idle zones, we're getting closer and closer to Haulover. But I saw something in the water that caught my eye, so we turned around and went over to investigate.
Yeah, no, this is perfect. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is perfect. Yo, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, I think we just found the next sandbar. Look at this, guys. It's a little bit south of Haulover. It's right here. Look how low it is. Perfect. This is perfect right here. Well, this is perfect. That's a big sandbar too. Yeah, it's big. Look at that. It's soft sand too. This is perfect. This is gonna be the next sandbar. So we gotta start bringing the peoples over to the south side of Haulover, because here is perfect. The main sandbar is gone. The dredger took the whole thing. So I think it's time to move over here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be it right here. This is perfect.
The next sandbar party here?
Yeah. No, next one.
So you can anchor the Cubana.
Right there.
Well guys, now you know we can still hang out at Haulover Sandbar, but this one is a little bit south from the original sandbar. I say about 300 feet. It's not that far. And I would like to say hello to my good friends Aquatic Flavor. They're out here serving you guys great food, rain or shine, and they're always ready to party with us at the sandbar. And you already know that it doesn't matter if it's late Sunday afternoon and people are still here having fun in the sun at Haulover Sandbar. And it really doesn't matter what the weatherman said, because we're still gonna come out here and enjoy the water. And with the new location of the Haulover Sandbar, it's gonna be even better. And talking about better, this guy took yacht party to the next level. Check this out, a whole DJ system with a light show that I had to stop and admire the way they were having fun, because that's what Sandbar life is all about, having a good time with family and friends out in the water. And you know, here the people are having a great time.
Just don't let it, hold on, man. Don't let it hit. Hey.
Well guys, we made it back right before the sunset, because remember, you cannot ride the jet ski in the dark. And luckily the ramp was pretty empty too, and that made it really easy to get out. And having more people with you not just makes it funner, but easier to load the jet skis on the trailer. And always remember to open up the drain plugs and run the jet ski out of the water for a few minutes to run the water out from the engine and the exhaust system. And most definitely don't forget to put the tie straps to the trailer and the jet ski, because the skis are so light that when you get a bump on the road, you might bounce the ski off the trailer, and that might cause an accident and definitely ruin the ski. But normally you do this at the waiting area, not the boat ramp. But since today is pretty empty, we decided to do it here, because remember, always be courteous to our fellow boaters and jet skiers. Like that, the flow of traffic could be in and out easier at the boat ramp. So if you see there's another jet ski or a boater waiting to put their vessel on the trailer, go ahead and go to the waiting area and finish your strapping down, because this takes time and you don't want to block the flow of traffic. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to watch part 1 too. And for those people that were planning to come to Miami and hang out at Haulover Sandbar for the summer, well, you still can. You just have to travel 400 feet more to the south, but you'll see the boats hanging out there anyway. And until next time, see you guys out in the water.